Hey, in this video, I will be walking you through on how you can create Amazon KDP accounts based on the part of the region where I find myself in Africa or Nigeria. There are some steps which you will need in order for you to create this account. But if you find yourself in Western world, like in Canada, in US, in Europe, then you can be able to create this account directly by going to kdp.amazon.com, then click on join KDP, and here you go, you can do that. But if you find yourself in this part of the world, Africa, to be precise, Nigeria, follow this step with me on how you can create this account. Two things you have to take note while you're creating this account. First, what do you need? And secondly, steps on how to create KDP account. What do you need? An email address. Your email address must be a Virgin email. If you know that you have properly opened an Amazon KDP before with a particular email, do not use any email that has been used to open an Amazon KDP. It is advisable for you to use a new or a Virgin email address. It can be Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Hotmail. Now, the second thing you need is a VPN. If you have any VPN whereby you can connect to US or UK, you can have, but I'm going to tell you a particular VPN you can use free of charge to create this account. The next thing is Amazon account. You need Amazon account to create KDP. The fourth thing is Google Authenticator, and the fifth thing is bank details. So I've already done a video on how you can open a virtual bank account whereby you get foreign accounts that will be used in the creation of KDP account when it comes to updating your information. Now, the last thing here is an ID card. Whatsoever you are going to be using, make sure the information present in your ID card tallies with what you are going to be imputing in this information here. The second stage is what? Steps on how to create accounts. I'm going to walk you through 6 steps on how to create this account. When we are done with all those requirements, when you know that you have all your requirements, then you go to signing up for Amazon account, then 2, activating 2-step authenticator, 3, signing into kdp.amazon.com, then updating personal information, updating your bank details, and updating your tax information. Now, let me quickly walk you through the process. Now, for the email address, just try sign up for a new email address. Now, for the VPN, you can go to tonybear.com. This is tonybear.com. Sign up a Tonybear account. Once you're done signing up, you have an interface like this. Now, let's go to the next thing. The next thing is just for you to download a Google Authenticator via your mobile app. Now, you go to your mobile app, locate your Play Store, then click on search, type in Google Authenticator. Since I've already installed this on my phone, I have open here, but if you're yet to install this on your phone, you're going to see install. Then once you install, you have this particular open. Then once you are done, click on open. You are still going to make use of this app when time comes. What you just have to do is just that you have this scan a QR code and enter a setup key. Anytime you're about to use this, you're going to click on enter a setup key. Now let's move to opening an Amazon account, which is the first step to creating a KDP Amazon account. Having gotten all your requirements is to sign up for Amazon account. For this tutorial, make sure your Tonybear is connected to United States, then go to amazon.com. Now, once your location is detected, then click on as a new customer. Click on start here, then put in your first name and your last name. Make sure here you impute your Gmail address or email address, be it Yahoo, Hotmail or Gmail. Then include your password, then continue. When you're done with the filling of these data or information, you'll be asked to verify email. Quickly do that, and make sure your name tallies with the names present in the ID card. An OTP will be sent to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail to copy the code and fill it here. Enter security code, then create your Amazon account. Now, with this, you have opened Amazon account successfully. What will be the next thing? The next step is to activate 2-step authenticator. In this page, you'll be required to make use of the Google Authenticator app you downloaded. At this point, click on account and list. Then you have your account. Come to login and security. Click on it. You come to 2-step authenticator. Once you click on login and security, come straight to 2-step authenticator. Click on turn it on. Now here you'll be required to put in a mobile number. Avoid this, then click on your Authenticator app. Remember something, you downloaded Authenticator app on Play Store. The Authenticator app you downloaded on Play Store require you scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Then you come back to the use of Google Authenticator. If you have two devices, you can scan. Any reason, maybe you are not able to have a phone to scan, just click on Can't Scan. Then you have a key to enter. Now you have to copy all this key. Make sure you copy it correctly. Then go to your Authenticator app, click on Enter Setup Key, then paste this in order for you to get your OTP. Then quickly do that. Having done that to verify your OTP, you'll be brought to this interface. Now here you can decide to click on Don't Require OTP on this browser, so that anytime you sign into your Amazon account, you will not be asked to provide an OTP. Then got it turn on two-step authenticator. This is the second step. We have been able to open an Amazon account. Then we have been able to turn on our two-step authenticator to avoid the use of mobile number. Now, what will be the next thing to do? The next thing to do is to sign into kdp.amazon.com. Then go to your browser, type in kdp.amazon.com. You will have this interface. Instead of joining, you are not going to join anymore because you have been able to open an Amazon account. All you just have to do now is to click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, you will have agreed. Now you click on agree. Having done that, you have successfully signed up Amazon KDP account. But with this, you will not be able to publish any book because you are still yet to update your account. What will be the next thing? The next step here is to update your personal information. Click on your account. You will be required for you to input your OTP. Go to your Google Authenticator to copy the code. You have to input your full name, and let me give you a short note here. You must take note that every information you are going to be supplied in here must tally with what is in your ID card. If you are going to be using your passport, your driver's license, your voter's card, or your NIN. Although for Nigeria, some people find it difficult to make use of national ID card, which is the NIN, and this has been a challenge for so many people. But if you have your passport, that will be a best bet, and you can even try your driver's license, and probably if you have your voter's card, you can make use of it. Just make sure every information you are going to be supplying here tallies with what is in the ID card. Let's quickly run on this, and after that you will be required to verify your identity with your legal name, your country, your postal code. Now if you are not able to get your postal code, you can Google search this, you get it. Then your state, city, then your address, your date of birth, then phone number, then save and continue. If there's probably an issue for you to edit, you can edit identity. Now here, this is an individual. Select your business type and confirm your information, an individual. Now the next thing is getting paid, and that is updating your bank details. When it comes to updating your bank details, you cannot just budge into your either local currency or local bank details. All you require to do is just for you to open a virtual bank account that will enable you to have foreign currencies like USD, PB, and Euro accounts. Now I've been able to do a video on how you can create a gray account and a GitPay account for you to get foreign accounts. Check my description below and get a link on how you can create a gray account. Let me believe you are going to do that, so I will skip that particular part here. You can watch the video and get your bank details. Where is your bank? The next thing is it's just for you to click UX. You are going to be given a USD dollar account, and every details will be given to you. Type of account, this is checking. The type of account that will be given to you is checking. Then account number will be given to you. Your details will be there, and type in your account number. Routing number will be given to you. Type in your routing number. Then business type is individual. Your date of birth, then account holder name will be given to you. Make sure your account still tallies with your ID. Well, moreover, you are going to still submit your ID with gray just for verification. Make sure everything is done, then click on add. Once your details are confirmed and it's correct, then it will be saved successfully. Then quickly run on this. You will have almost done. Click save at the bottom to complete updating your payment information. Make sure every detail you input here are very correct. Save. Now you are set up to receive payment for sales across all Amazon marketplace, which means you have been able successfully updated your bank information. We have last step that says update tax information. Click on complete tax questionnaire, then you get started. What is your tax classification? Individual. Are you a United States citizen? No. Now, are you acting as an intermediary agent? No. Then tax identity information. Now at this point, when it comes to tax identity information, Amazon will deduct like 30% of your royalty, but I'm going to walk you through on how you can withhold. Withholding rate will be 0%, but here you just have to follow strictly. Now when you get to this point, you have country of citizenship. To avoid that 30%, you click Nigeria, walk to Nigeria because you are Nigerian. Whichever country you find yourself in Africa. When it comes to this country permanent address, this is where you can change the information you have here. We have some countries that are not liable to pay tax, of which in Africa, South Africa is part of it. Now if you have anyone in South Africa that lives in South Africa, you can as well ask for the address of the person. It's not going to harm those persons. All you just need is the address so that the withholding rates can be 0%. And you know, even if that 30% is removed, even it won't be paid to the country. It will be better for you to get the money and pay your tax by yourself in your country. Now here, country of permanent resident, and sometimes you can be a citizen of Nigeria and live in South Africa. Now how are you going to do this? It's just for you to pick country of permanent residence. You can choose South Africa. Then how do you get the address you are going to be using here? Go to Google, type random South African address, then this is it. Then once you have this, then you can click on any of this random address in South Africa. Now at this point, you have quite a number of different address. You can just copy any of it, and for this you can use this address. Out of all these addresses, you can use this address. I would like to use this 284 Which Road, Johannesburg, the city, Gauteng, the state, and we have a zip code of 2026. Now all you just have to do is to copy this, input this here. Now for this South African tax identification number, you can put in any 13-digit number, because in South Africa their tax is a 13-digit number. You can just put in any number that is 13 digits. Continue. Once you click on continue, you have treaty selected, then you confirm. Then on this you save and review. You input your full name as it is in your Amazon, in your personal information. Do not make mistake. Input and click on I certify, then you submit form. Now having done that, you have your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Applicable withholding rate is 0%, and initially if you have gone through normal route, you have 30% withholding rate. Now you have successfully created an Amazon KDP account. Then you can click on exit interview, then you can now start publish. In my next video, I'm going to walk you through on how you can successfully upload a book, and subsequently I'll be giving some tutorials on how you can just manage your account and earn more publishing on Amazon account. If you are yet to subscribe on my YouTube channel, kindly do that. Subscribe and share, comment on my videos, and if you want me to create any other videos, you can just as well speak to me. And also for proper training and some other incentives, you can join my WhatsApp group link below in the description below. Just click on the WhatsApp link below and join the group, and subsequently you have access to speaking with me. Having done that, immediately you open an account, you'll be asked to verify your identity immediately, unlike before, whereby when you open an account, it will still have to stay for some days before you are being asked to verify. Now here, I already told you, your ID card, the information on your ID card must tally with what you have updated here, your personal information. Now fix it now. Verify your identity to continue publishing using Kindle Direct Publishing. Fix it now. Here, make sure all the information you imputed here it's correct, and if you know that they are not correct, you are liable to change it. Just change it. Then click on verify identity. You'll be asked to submit your issued ID card. Now select your country. Your country is Nigeria. You're using a passport, and here you can either use driver's license, but a lot of folks are having challenge using their national ID card. You can use your voter's card, your driver's license, or passport, and I click passport because I want to use passport. Then continue. Using this, you'll be asked to take a photo of your ID or upload the image. Then you can do that and submit. We are verifying your identity. This is what you get. This may take few seconds. Let's see how it goes. Now once you submit that your ID card, this is what you get: identity successfully verified. And here you can start publishing on Amazon KDP. Thank you very much. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel.